How to upload image as background in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, select uploads, then you can tap on upload files and you'll search for the image that you'd like to use. For this example, I'm going to be using this image, so I would select the image. Then from there, we'll tap on the three dots that says more and you're going to tap on set image as background. Once you have added the image as background, let's say for instance you would like to add a text, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could hover over text and you could add the text box, and from there you can type out the text that you like to add. Or if you like to add an image over this image, you can also do that. What I would normally recommend you do is select the image that you have set as your background and you're going to tap right where you see transparency. Then you'll pull the slider to the left to decrease the transparency. Now after you have decreased the transparency to your liking, you could add the text overlay on it and it will more pop out and it will have the image you can see right there more in the background. Another thing you can also do, let's say for example we don't want to decrease the transparency. Instead you would like to add a blur effect. You can select the image, tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you can go over to the left hand menu option. Once on the left hand menu option, you're going to tap on blur. Then from there, we could select all image and you can simply pull the slider as you can see right here. And you could blur the background image to your liking. So you can see it right there. So you could blur it to your liking. Then after you have blurred it to your liking, you can add a text over it. Or for instance, you could add another image over this. So you could add someone doing a presentation or so on over this by simply tapping on elements. From there, you could search for the image that you like to add. So let's say for example's sake, I will add a photo of a butterfly. You can see right here that the photo pops more now, as you can see there. So that's basically it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share. Then from there, you'll select download and you can download it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.